Check out this Techni Mobili rolling laptop cart. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this cart is exactly what we needed. We're looking for a cart that would be able to move around for our live streams, and this does just that. As you can see, it rolls around. There's also a drawer in here as well, and we have several things that we use for our live streams in there too. Usually we have a laptop on the top here, which works great for this laptop cart. We have a shelf down underneath halfway that you can keep your keyboard down there if you're a live streamer, and also a tambourine and egg shaker there too. But again, this moves around like this, and you can just see the mobility of this laptop cart. It's very helpful to have, and we are just enjoying it so much. So thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll see you next time.